Hello, Bella.
Teacher.
Hello, Bella and Catherine. Mhm. How are you today? Thank you. How are you today?
Fine. I'm fine.
Yes. Are you happy?
Yes.
That's good. Catherine, what makes you happy?
I don't know why.
Really? Okay. And Bella, what?
It's not.
Mhm. Uh, and Bella, what makes you sad? What?
Because my dog is not here.
Thank you. That's a really nice answer. And what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
Thank you,
But
Catherine.
favorite Bella is pink.
Okay, so Bella, is your favorite color pink?
Yes.
Yes. And Bella, would you like to eat with a pink spoon or pink chopsticks?
I like to eat
With?
pink chopsticks.
Okay, that's good. And Catherine, would you like a yellow book or a yellow bike?
I like a yellow bike.
Thank you. Can you ride a bike, Catherine?
Yes.
That's really nice. Do you have a bike, Bella?
Yes. I have a purple bike.
I like purple too. I like it. That's
I
nice.
have a pink bike.
Catherine, how old are you? I'm let's
8 years old.
That's good. And Bella, how old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Okay. So Bella, who is older, Catherine or you?
No.
Listen to Bella. Bella, who is older between you and Catherine? Who is older?
Me.
Yes, please say I am.
I am older
Then.
than Catherine.
Yes, good. Catherine, who is older, you or your mother?
My mother is older.
Then.
Me.
Then me. Thank you. That's nice. And hey, two of you, do you know the name of the months?
Yes.
Yes, right. Okay, Bella, how many months are there in a year?
12 months.
That's good. What is the first month, Catherine?
My first
No, what is the first month of the year?
is January.
That's good. What is the second month?
February.
February. Can you tell the next months, Bella?
March.
Catherine?
April. May.
Bella.
June. July. August. September. October. November. December.
That's really nice. And which is this month, Bella?
Is December.
So, Catherine, what is the weather like in this month? Is it hot? Is it hot this month?
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know. Bella, can you help your sister? What is the weather like in this month?
It's cold.
It's cold. Is it sunny outside?
No.
No. Okay. And my birthday is in February. So which month is your birthday, Catherine?
My birthday is in July.
That's nice. And how about Bella?
My birthday is in November.
Wow. What did you get on your birthday this year? What did you get? What presents did you get? Catherine?
I get balloons, cake,
Mhm.
and many candies.
How
And
about
cake.
and cake? Okay, thank you, Catherine.
And
How about
I
Bella?
have many toys in
Wow.
birthday.
On my birthday, right? Yes. How about Bella? What did you get?
I have many presents, but I have dolls.
The dolls. Most of them are the dolls, right? That's
Yeah.
good. I see your dolls. You showed me, right? That's good. So two of you, with each new month, how do you grow?
I grow. The older I grow.
That's good, Catherine. Nice. And Bella, do you have a friend?
Yes.
Who is your really good friend?
Is a girl.
A girl. What is that girl's name?
Is big.
Wow, a nice name. And how about Catherine? Do you have a really good friend?
Yes.
Who is that?
Her name is Ngọc Anh.
Oh, her name is Ngọc Anh. Okay. Bella, what is Big good at? Is she good at sleeping?
Me.
Okay. Catherine, you go first.
Is she good at sleeping?
Really? Okay. So how about Big? What is Big good at, Bella?
My friend good at playing with me.
That's nice. And Bella and Catherine, what are you good at?
I good at
Eating, right? I'm good at eating. That's nice. That's okay. How about
I good
Bella?
at sleeping.
Sleeping. I like sleeping too. Okay. Catherine, what is your mother good at? Your
My
mother.
mother good at read a book.
Reading a book, reading books. Thank you. How about your father, Bella?
Your father.
My father
My father
is good at
eat.
eating too.
Yeah.
That's funny.
My
That's
father
really
is
fun.
fat.
Okay, now two of you, please talk about your house. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Bella, do you see a teapot in your house?
Teapot.
Yes.
Yes, I see many teapots.
Okay.
No, my teapot is not here.
Not here. So where is the teapot? Downstairs? Is it downstairs?
No, it's
No.
in my bedroom, but it's in my one house.
Ah, okay. In another house?
Yes.
Okay.
I have 3 teapots.
A lot of teapots. So Bella, when the water gets hot, what does the teapot? What should you do? What should you do?
I will shout.
I will shout. What will you shout?
Pick me up and pour it out.
Okay, so pretend that you are the teapot. You will shout, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. And Catherine, where do you put your dirty and smelly clothes?
I put in a washing machine.
That's good. What does a washing machine do?
It
gets?
all my clothes so nice and so clean.
That's good.
All my clothes.
Yes, that's good. And Bella, mm, who put who puts the dirty and smelly clothes in the washing machine in your family?
My mother.
Listen to Bella. Okay, Bella, can you say again?
My mother and Catherine.
And Catherine. Okay, that's nice. And Bella, are you afraid of the washing machine?
No, I am happy.
Okay, that's nice. And is the washing machine upstairs or downstairs?
The washing machine is upstairs.
That's good. Thank you. Catherine, do you have a lamp?
Yes, I have one lamp. Bella has one lamp too.
Thank you. Bella, do you put your lamp near your bed?
No, I put my lamp on my table.
Good job. Where do you put your lamp, Catherine?
I put the lamp on the table too.
That's good. So why do you need a lamp? Why?
Because I can see better to write.
Yes, you can have light.
Can read book and
Excellent.
drink milk.
Good answers. That's good. Bella, where do you eat in your house? In which room do you eat?
I eat in the kitchen.
That's nice. Catherine, do you eat in the kitchen too?
Yes.
Okay. And Catherine, which room do you like more than the others?
I like the kitchen.
Why? Why do you like the kitchen more than the others?
Because I eat my food and I thank my mother.
Do you always say thanks to your mother?
No.
Remember to say that to your mom, okay?
Yeah.
And yes, and Bella, which is your favorite room in your house?
My favorite room is my bedroom.
Why do you like your bedroom more than the others?
Because my bedroom is the where I sleep.
Is
And
the
read a book.
Yes, and you
I
like
not eat book.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Bella. That's nice. Hey, Catherine, does your house have a yard or a garden?
My house is not yard and garden.
No yard and garden.
Yes.
It's okay. And Bella, what do you do in the living room?
I watch TV and eat chips.
That's nice. And Catherine, what do you do in the bathroom?
I wash my body.
Yes. Do you brush your teeth there?
Yes. No.
No. So where? Thank you for sharing. And Bella, do you see a vase in your house?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
I have a black vase.
Oh, wow.
Green. It's not black. Black.
Green? Black, dark green, right? Is it a dark green?
Yes.
And Catherine, what do you put in the vase? Do you cook in the vase?
No.
So what do you put in your vase?
I put flowers.
I put flowers. That's good. What color flowers do you like, Bella?
I like purple and yellow white flower.
Well, thank you. Catherine, be nice. Be nice, please.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Now let's move on. Now I want you to look around the room that you are sitting. And Bella, what is smaller than you?
Smaller than me?
Yes, what is smaller
My
than you?
brother. No, it's my balloon.
Listen to Bella again. Bella, say again. My
bottle is smaller than me.
Thank you. What is bigger than you, Catherine?
Bigger than me is my dad.
Okay. Is your dad the tallest one in your family?
No. No, my
So-
grandpa.
Okay, that's good.
My dad-
And Catherine, are you short or tall?
I'm short.
Okay, so which one is shorter? You or Bella, Catherine?
Bella. Oh.
Be nice. Catherine, say again. Who is shorter, you or Bella?
Me.
Say, I am shorter.
I am shorter.
Yes. Who is taller, your father or your mother, Bella?
My grandfather and
No, listen again. Between your father and mother, who is taller?
my
Listen to Bella. Yes. Who is taller? Your mother or your father?
my father
My father is
taller
than.
than my mother.
That's good. Thank you.
Mother is shorter.
Okay. Hey, two of you, do you help your father and mother sweep the floor?
Yes.
Bella, what do you use to sweep?
I use a broom to sweep the floor.
Yes. Do you, Catherine, do you use a machine to sweep the floor?
No, I don't have hard.
Yes, I hope to have a robot, a kind of
I'm
machine.
sad
Why are you sad, Catherine?
because my dad is to work. My
He's
dad
going
is
to work.
in my house.
And you want to play with your dad?
Yes.
Okay. He will go home. And Bella, please. Which one do you see in the kitchen? The television, the bike, or the oven?
The oven.
There is the oven, right?
My house don't have oven. No, I have two ovens.
Okay, we usually see an oven in the kitchen, right?
Yes.
Okay, and Catherine, which one do you see in your bedroom? A television, a laptop, or a tree?
A television and a laptop.
Both of them? Thank you for sharing.
I have a
That's nice.
man.
Okay, and which one do you use to eat, Bella?
I use a chopstick. Oh, no. I use a
Listen to
spoon.
Bella. Listen to Bella, please.
I use a chopsticks and a spoon, a bowl, and a plate to
Thank
eat.
you. That's good. And Catherine, what do you use? Which one do you use to write?
I use it. White ball. A white ball. No.
No, what do you use to write? Listen carefully.
You use bowl to write. I use a pen.
A pen, right? Yeah.
A pen, a paper,
Mhm.
a paper, a ruler, a eraser, and a book.
Pencil and a pencil.
Yes.
Yes, right. That's good. Very nice. Okay, now let's talk more about you and your family. Ready?
It's okay. Okay.
Okay, that's good. So, which one is the loudest in your family, Bella? Which one is the loudest?
No.
Be nice, Catherine.
It's me and Catherine.
Okay, so I and Catherine are
And Catherine are loudest.
the loudest, right? Yes, good.
I
And
don't know.
Catherine, who is the fastest in your family?
It's Catherine.
Wow. Okay, please say, I am the fastest.
I am the fastest on my family.
In my family.
My
Okay.
father is fastest. You or me?
Now, two of you, do you like small things or big things?
I like small things. I like big things.
Yes, small things. Okay. Catherine, do you like the smallest candy?
No, I like too many bigger candies.
Yeah, I like the biggest candy. Okay. And Bella, do you like the biggest plate of food?
Like a food?
Yeah. Do you like the biggest plate of food?
Yes.
Okay.
Ouch.
So two of you, what color is your face? What color does your face turn when you run in the sun?
It's red.
Yes, good. And where do you like to run? In the sun or in the rain?
No, in the rain. I like to run in the sun.
Mhm.
I will run in the sun.
In the sun too. That's good. Bella, what should you do if you drop something?
I pick it up.
That's good. And Catherine, what should you do if you get something out?
Put it away.
Okay. And Bella, what should you do if you spill something?
I clean it up.
That's nice. And Catherine, why are you learning English?
Because my mother.
Wants me to learn.
Yes.
Mhm. Why are you learning?
That's why it said I like that.
Oh, your dad comes home, right? It's okay. It's okay. Thank you. Now let's answer some more questions and then you can play with your dad. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. And Bella, why are you learning English? Because
I see English is funny.
oh, good. That's a nice answer. Why is it light now, Catherine?
It's light.
Yeah, why is it light? It is not dark now. Why?
It's the sun.
Because of the sun, right? And is
Yeah,
it because of
light.
is it because of day or night?
It's day.
It is day, right? Good job. And Bella, why do you eat dinner?
Because I am hungry.
That's nice. So after talking with me, what will you do?
After After class,
Yes. What will you do after class?
I teach. Oh no,
I will.
Bella is say I paint Catherine. No.
Don't do that. It's not nice. Be nice
I
like
don't
Johnny Bear.
Catherine.
So Bella,
No,
Bella, please answer. What will you do after class? I will.
I will walk downstairs to dinner.
That's nice. How about Catherine? What will you do after talking with me?
I'm very happy.
What will you do? Will you go downstairs and eat dinner like Bella?
Yes.
Yes. Will you play together?
Yes. I ride my bike. No.
Oh, wow, nice. So
No.
please go and ride a bike. And it's time to say goodbye now.
Goodbye, teacher.
Yes, you did a great job in Unit 9. Thank you for today. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.